What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. The last video I did like this, you guys loved it, and the only regret I had for it was I used silicone to make cells. So now we are not. Here's the colors: silver, cerulean blue, a deep magenta, and a titanium white to offer a little bit of pop. And we have our great value Ziploc bag here, a little sandwich bag. And we are going to start layering it. Yeah, you guys absolutely loved this video, so I'm gonna do another one. But this one, I loved the lines that it created last time, so I wanted to go through and do it again without any oil or cells that would deform the lines. So that's what we're doing. And how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. It is a beautiful day here in Phoenix. Just living the dream. It is a warm one for sure, but it's a beautiful place. Beautiful place, beautiful people. I love it here. All right, let's see. Let's get this white in there. Now I am letting some of it churn, because I'm trying to create some pretty cool little color patterns that are going throughout. And then there's our bag. Wow. Yeah, I was telling you guys in the last one that this is a pretty good activity to do with friends and family, just because it's very easy, very little preparation is required. And we are already ready to pour. Not even 2 minutes in. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at that magenta, bro. Wow. That is fantastic. Look at those lines. Jeez. That's beautiful, you guys. I love how it's doing two separate, because of the way the sandwich bag is made. That is not something I planned on. But just because of the way it's made, that's awesome. So cool. Catch those bands. Dang, that is so nice. Look at those. I love the way the center is. And just, I mean, I can't even complain about anything. I love this. And take a little heat to it just to try to get rid of some of the bubbles. There's no oil, so there shouldn't be any cells. Wow, you guys, that's pretty. All right, well, we are ready. Let's spin it, give it a gentle little spin. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna try to stop it early. I love that. Wow. I mean, it's almost like I planned it to be that way, but I did not. That is so pretty. And as you can see, it's a very, very simple technique. I didn't layer it in any specific way. Anybody could do this. Even if you just picked up some paint, you could do this at home easily. And as long as you're using colors that don't create mud together, you're not going to get mud. So pretty. Wow. Jeez, that's so nice. And it's so quick, fast, easy. Dang. Well, shoot, let me bring you guys down here and check this thing out, because it's beautiful. So delicate. I love what's going on in the center. There's a whole lot of detail in there. Jeez, it's beautiful, you guys. I love it. I am so in love with the way this came out. It is stunning. And this is just dry. I haven't varnished it yet. And it's still got a nice shine to it. And the colors are still really vibrant. It's beautiful. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.